coming in. As always, the Congress party has questioned the government, and it is now questioning the latest move on the ban on 59 Chinese applications. Manish Tiwari of the Congress has tweeted just a short while back asking Ravi Shankar Prasad if the government has thought through the Chinese app ban. The Congress is asking two questions. First, what about those accessing banned apps via VPN? Secondly, what about those apps that will still lie dormant on millions of Indians' phones? Do they not constitute a live sleeper threat? The Congress has called the ban on the symbolic as a symbolic than more than substantive. We have Anuj with us to give us more details on this. So Anuj, criticism, questions that continue on part of the Congress, though they ask the opposition parties, what is now that they are raising, especially when it comes to this move that the government has taken up in banning 59 Chinese applications?
Well, the agenda of the Congress party is very much clear. This is never new when Congress party is again on the back foot and again coming out with same kind of a series of questions. So that's never new within the Congress party. We do understand whenever it is about the national security, this is the opposition party, this is the party in the opposition, that's Congress, who is raising again and again question on the same. But Congress party today needs to understand that what is happening on the ground level. One, there is anger among every citizen of the country against China. Second, the other parties, if you talk about the other opposition parties, they are also making their stand clear that they are standing with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and with the government of India, because this is about the national interest. So Congress party, instead of questioning everything, instead of doing politics and everything, should understand today that what exactly is the situation and the reality on the ground level and what exactly is happening on the ground level. Today it is going to be an important day again when Prime Minister at around 4 will be addressing the nation. So there we are expecting a clear message from the Prime Minister. But this is something which needs to be understood by the Congress party, that everything need not to be politicized, whether being it about the national security, whether being it about the financial crisis, whether being it about our Jawans on the borders who are fighting for the nation, who are fighting for us. But Congress party is continuously coming out with these kind of reactions, these kind of questions. But that's something which need to be understood by the Congress party. We have to see whether this is again the factions fight, whether somebody is going to come out again, as we saw it in the last CWC meeting of the Congress party, where the Congress leadership themselves is not happy, or rather is not on the same line where the other faction is. Yes.
Well, is the basic sentiment being ignored? Because the compilation of these data, Anuj, it's mining, it's profiling by these elements which are hostile to national security and the defense of India, which ultimately impinges upon the sovereignty and the integrity of India. Does not that matter to the Congress anymore? Anuj. Well, the statement that has also come along from the Ministry of Electronics and Information and Technology is saying that it had received exhaustive recommendations from the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center and from the Ministry of Home Affairs, and thereafter this step was taken for safety, security, defense, sovereignty and integrity of India, and to protect data and privacy of people of India. The government has banned 59 mobile applications. That is what Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad had said in his tweet.